Hello everybody! The purpose of this video is to help you find the Sadowski Kruszewski Studio Theater. If you are coming from the Sunbow parking garage, which is the most recommended place to park, walk to the left of the ramp. Stay on the first level and continue to walk straight ahead. You will soon find yourself in the Fox Fine Arts atrium. The doors to the Studio Theater will then be on your left. If you are coming from the Centennial Plaza or the UTEP Dinner Theater area, walk straight ahead as if you are coming from the Union Building. You will see the Centennial Plaza on your left, and eventually you'll come up on the Psychology Building, which will be on your right. Keep walking straight. You will then start to come up on the McGoffin Auditorium, and when you see it, veer towards your right. You will then see a big orange ball, which is a sculpture, known as the Esfera Quantica Tlatoli. Keep walking towards the sculpture. You will then enter the Fox Fine Arts Center. Continue walking straight, and you're going to want to go down that very first ramp. You will pass by the Wise Family Theater and our box office, but continue straight ahead and go down the second ramp. When you make it to the bottom of the ramp, you're going to want to make a U-turn to your right. Walk past the Fox Fine Arts sign and into the Fox Fine Arts atrium. Once you make it into the Fox Fine Arts atrium, the doors to the Studio Theater will be on your left. If you are coming from the UGLC or the Centennial Museum area, cross the street and walk straight ahead to the right of the ramp, but do not go up it. Walk straight ahead. And once you make it into the Fox Fine Arts atrium, the doors to the Studio Theater will be straight ahead. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see you at our next show.